to my channel. I'm Lisa and we are about to go shopping. We are doing some Easter shopping today. I need to get some bits for the kids and I'd like to do some cute DIYs for the house. So we're going to head into town and see what's around, planning on Poundland, Tiger and TK Maxx, and hopefully we will find something nice. I hope you enjoy this kind of video and thank you for joining us today. Right, let's have a look what Easter things are in Poundland. Cute little baskets. Quite sweet. Do you think the kids would like those? Some candy. Oh, popping candy. That's quite nice. Have you seen these before? These twisted. Yeah, we've got some Easter eggs in the middle here. How much are these? Can you see? They're £1. That's not a bad price. Chunky one.
But
Kit Kat
Tesco's
chunky.
are doing 75p at the moment.
Tesco's are doing 75p. Okay. There's also this selection of healthier snacks, dried fruits and nuts if you wanted to add these to Easter baskets. Be interested to know how much that actually is usually, because I know the lip balms over here are quite pricey. There's a little Easter tree that you can bend into shape. It's quite sweet. That's that arrow. That's the arrow that I
know.
Did. They're like little unicorn eggs. Oh, here's some little animals. Oh look, they got chickies with you.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like the bunnies? You could you imagine you could stick them on top of a pencil to make a little pencil bopper?
Yeah.
Some moss and straw. I like the hats as well. You could stick the eggs on the hats to make an Easter bonnet. Some soft toys. It's a really nice craft section. Do you like the stickers?
Yeah.
Feathers, carrot chalks. Oh, look, and you can pop these on the windows.
There's lights in there.
Yeah, I like that grass table runner. That's so fun.
Okay.
With table mats and little bunnies. Loving these lights. Really good things in the garden section. I love this piece of wood here. It's like a little piece of decking. Carrots for the garden. That's really sweet.
Mother's Day. No.
This has just given me a great idea. Nice Eastery colours. Always a good craft section. We are in Tiger now. There's some really nice things. I love those Easter baskets. Oh, dishes are nice. Oh look, there's a table runner here as well. These are the type of eggs.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, we've got some.
Jars of seeds. That's so cute. Look at that big sheep. Bead set. Oh, look at the pencil cases. It's a little pen.
Oh, notebooks, look.
Aww. So I ended up trying to talk over, the music was so loud, but there was some really cute Easter stuff. Loved all the plates, the cups, the napkins, lots of really cute washi tape and little bits for Easter DIYs. Really loved these wooden labels to pop in plant pots. Obviously you can use them as craft embellishments, and just some really nice gardening things in general. Really loved them. Cute little ceramics. I love these ceramic donuts for the bathroom. Some pieces for hair, and love the ceramics here as well with the cats. There were cups, teapots, and I think jugs, possibly little dishes in this range. And love these little cute bento boxes. There's some really good things in here. Planners, stationery, books at the moment, bullet journals, notebooks. There's the planners there. It's a cute little book with a calculator as well. These are the planners. I think they were A5 size, or actually maybe they were personal size. Really nice in different colours and plain inserts inside with the 6 rings. Totally fell in love with this yarn, and I ended up collecting some in each colour. And then you've got like sewing boxes as well. There was some other bits and pieces, lots of string, tissue paper, loads of washi today. Really liked this storage basket. I thought that would look really nice in a bathroom or in a craft room as well. I've got these little organizer trays in my studio and also in my hallway drawer as well. Really good for things like keys, pens. Loved this whole Japanese looking selection here. Really, really pretty. Lots of ceramics and canisters. And then all the household items here. You can't beat Tiger for bits and pieces like this. There's always so much cute stuff and at such great prices. We are in Homesense now. Love these florals. These are really pretty actually, aren't they? £7.99. Love that. Yeah, I like that. Do you like this big corkboard? So we're back from shopping. Homesense was really, really disappointing. The Basingstoke one has changed. It used to just be all TK Maxx. Obviously, they're part of the same company. And Homesense is now completely upstairs. It's taken over. They had a lot of toys and other kind of bits and pieces. Kids' clothes are upstairs. That's all gone. It's all completely Homesense now. But there was nothing for Easter. We'd been in our other Homesense a couple of weeks ago and there was loads and loads of Easter things. Really nice decorations, wreaths, floral arrangements, really cute plates, you know, decorations, all that kind of thing. There was nothing in this one at all, so a bit disappointed, but I did get some really, really good things. I'm going to start with my t-shirt. Really, really pleased with this. I actually had a gift card to use in M&S for my birthday. I don't usually shop in M&S anymore, if I'm totally honest. It really feels dated in there. And just walked by and I happened to see this t-shirt by the door. And I thought, oh, actually, I'll grab that because I'm quite a t-shirt person and I'll just show you what I've done with it. It felt a bit tight on the top, so I've bought the larger size and I've actually put a hairband on the bottom there, twisted it up together, tucked that under with a vest top underneath. And I quite like that. It feels quite baggy, but it's also a bit fitted. Otherwise, it just looked too big for me. And that was £6.50. The quality feels really, really nice. And they had loads of others. There was one with a rainbow. And it had, I can't remember, it had something really nice underneath. And I think I might actually go back and get a couple more tops because I really like these. And I just live in t-shirts at the moment. I'm going to go through everything else that I bought and have quite a nice haul. And start off with Poundland. I've got some DIYs coming up, some Easter DIYs. First thing, I'm really, really excited about this wooden box. Obviously, being from Poundland, it was £1. I think this will make a really nice DIY. I saw these vases last time we went, and you know, when you then think of a project afterwards, and I kept thinking about them, so I've picked them up today. They're actually part of the Mother's Day range, but there was loads of them, but I'm not using them as a Mother's Day gift. But there's 3 little vases there, which I will be doing a project. I might do it this week actually, this coming week. Also for a DIY project, I've got some tinsel egg lights. Look how cute. Little tinsely inside. I've got 2 packs of those. I'm also going to be making up Easter baskets for the kids. I did those last year as well. So I picked up some really nice shower gels from there. Some coconut milk conditioner, which smells amazing. I wish I'd picked up myself some now. Something else I've bought, and I've actually tested a few products again for you. In case you didn't see, I did a Poundland, was it Poundland? Yeah, Poundland video recently. I'll link that up below for you because I tested some of the products. Really, really excited to see this EOS hand cream. If you aren't familiar with the brand, it's sold in the States quite cheaply, but it's sold over here very expensive. We were looking, these are selling for I think £5–6 in some places. I think my husband even found one for like $14.99 on Amazon. Hand lotion. And I have tested it. It's really, really nice. In the States, we buy the lip balms. They're like a little egg. Really, really good. But they look like that. And the hand cream is quite thick. It wouldn't be my first choice of scent, but it's quite mild. It's not overly overpowering, but your hands feel really, really soft. I have very dry hands. I have eczema. It hasn't irritated my eczema. I've got a patch of it at the moment on my hand. But they just feel really, really soft. It says it's a berry blossom, 24-hour moisture. I highly recommend, if you see them in there, to pick them up, because for £1 it's really, really good, and they're quite a nice little size to pop in your bag. Also, for a DIY project, I've picked up a bag of moss, which just seems to be leaking. It's everywhere, all over my shopping bag. But there was some other things, like for DIY projects, tissue paper, like shredded, and all that kind of thing as well. Also picked up some of these cute little pegs for Easter decorations. And my husband saw this by the till, actually, which we've picked up for his mum for tomorrow. Best mum ever, and his mum just loves ducks. And it feels a really nice chunky solid mug, actually. You wouldn't think that it was just £1. I've been looking for an ice cream scoop for a while. I think they've been holding off, waiting for the summer months to come in. I'm not using this for ice cream, but I use it for cupcakes, for when you're taking out the batter to put into the muffin cases, just to make sure it's all even. And mine broke recently, and I've been looking for a new one. A few other bits for Easter. We've picked up chocolates, more chocolates. Trying out some of their dried fruits, actually. They have a really large selection, it was on the video, of like nuts, fruits, like the healthier things. So I picked up some dried mango. Last night I tucked into these are yogurt coated cranberries. Obviously they're full of sugar, they're not really a healthier snack. But I was eating them last night. They're very, very sweet. I've had them from a health food store before, and they weren't quite as sweet, but they were still really nice and very, very moreish. Also picked up these, which I was going to keep because the kids are off for Easter soon, and I was going to keep these in the cupboard, but I actually started tucking into them as well. Great big bag of cheesy biscuits, and I just love them. They're so moreish, but again, just £1 for that big bag. Crispy M&Ms, I thought they were a really good price for £1 each. Picked up some chocolate eggs for Easter hunts. Can't go into Poundland without picking up 2 chocolate oranges. We did one between us the other night. And more of these baskets. I am loving these baskets, and each time I go in I wish I'd bought more. And I will link up, I've got 2 videos. I've used these in my studio storage and in my bathroom declutter. So I'll link up both videos for you below, so you can go and have a look and see how I use these. Oh, one other thing. I've opened them to try them. They are really quite nice looking. They're like rose gold. They're called Zebra Pens, classic ballpoint, smooth, medium. Really, really nice pen. I am very impressed. And I wrote on the back of the ice cream scoop, I would definitely pick up more of these. Really, really like them. I'll look out for them again next time. Then we went to Tiger. I've picked up quite a lot of yarn. I've got some other as well. These were £1 a roll. Really, really nice. 168 meters, I think, something like that. But it's really nice and thin. So I've got some idea for these for my DIY projects. Really, really cute things. I could have spent so much in Tiger, but I was very well behaved. I've picked up some cute stuff for Easter Sunday, for when we have cake in the afternoon. Also picked up these serviettes. I always like to have nice serviettes in the drawer. I really like that colour. And they're cards. I only wanted 1 card, and I got to the till and she said it was actually 2 for £1. I missed someone's birthday recently, and it's a friend, and he really, really likes nice underwear, nice pants. So I saw this card and I just thought, actually I can send it to him and apologise for being so pants for missing his birthday. So I wished him a happy birthday online, but I didn't send a card, and it was a special birthday. Also bought candles in Tiger as well. I always buy large candles for my fireplace. And I picked up a couple of candies for the kids. They were 2 for £1. And then lastly, also from going back to Homesense, these candles. I've got one burning right now. It smells so nice. I bought them last year and then I couldn't find them again. It might have even been the year before. Green tea leaves. If you see them, I highly recommend them. I've got a small one burning at the moment because that's all I could find recently. We didn't see them for almost a year. And they're the DW Home brand, and this size is $5.99. It's such a clean, fresh smell. It's one of my favorite candles to burn. So if you see the green tea leaves, give it a sniff. It's a really good one. And I think that's it. That's my haul for today. I hope you've enjoyed this shop. Let me know if you are doing anything for Easter. Are you going Easter shopping? Are you doing any Easter DIYs? I would love to know. Let me know if you saw something in the video that really caught your eye. The planners in Tiger are amazing. They look so nice. Very, very tempted, but I really do not need any more. So let me know if you saw something that you would have bought had you been shopping with me. Thank you so much for watching today, and tomorrow I have a Universal video going up, a Universal vlog over in Orlando. So stay tuned for that and have a lovely weekend. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.